Have you ever paused to ponder the peculiarities of the human race? Today we embark on a fascinating journey, exploring the captivating facts about people. We invite you to keep an open mind, prepare to be amazed and perhaps even surprised as we delve into the extraordinary aspects of our existence. From the power of the brain to the astonishing facts about our bones, we'll discover what truly makes us unique. Dive in and let's unravel the mysteries of mankind. Starting at number 5, let's delve into the power of the human brain. This squishy 3-pound mass of tissue inside our heads is a marvel of engineering that we've yet to fully understand. Yet every day it performs feats that overshadow the world's most advanced computers and networks. Picture this. The human brain generates more electrical impulses in a single day than all the telephones in the world combined. That's right. The billions of calls, texts, and data transferred worldwide are dwarfed by the activity happening within your skull right now. This electrical symphony orchestrates everything from our basic bodily functions to our most profound thoughts and emotions. But here's where it gets even more fascinating. The brain doesn't clock off when we do. In fact, it's more active during sleep than during the day. Now you might be wondering, how is that possible? Well, while we're dreaming of sugar plums or solving complex equations in our sleep, our brains are hard at work. They're processing the day's experiences, forming memories and making connections that help us understand and navigate our world. Sleep isn't just a time for rest and rejuvenation, it's an essential period of intense cerebral activity, where our brains sift through the clutter of our day, deciding what to keep and what to discard. It's like a nightly housekeeping service, tidying up our mental spaces for another day of learning and discovery. The brain's power is not just about its capacity for computation or its role as the conductor of our body's orchestra. It's about its resilience, its adaptability, and its relentless pursuit of understanding. It's about its ability to create, to dream, to feel, and to love. It's about the stories it tells, the memories it stores, and the future it imagines. Our brains, it seems, are more powerful and mysterious than we could ever imagine. From generating more electrical impulses than the world's telephones to being more active when we're asleep, the brain's capabilities continue to astound and inspire us. In the grand scheme of things, we're just beginning to scratch the surface of understanding this incredible organ, and who knows what amazing secrets we'll uncover next. Fact number 4 takes us into the realm of genetics. It's a world that's as fascinating as it is complex. And it's here we find a surprising truth about our species. We share a significant amount of our genetic makeup with the rest of the living world. Did you know that we, as humans, share about 50% of our DNA with bananas? Yes, you heard it right, bananas. This might sound bananas to you, but it's true. This doesn't mean we're half banana, of course, but it does highlight an interesting fact about the shared origins of life. Let's take a leap from the fruit kingdom to the animal kingdom. When we look at chickens, we find another surprising connection. Humans share about 60% of their DNA with these feathered friends. Now this doesn't mean we're part chicken, but it does illustrate the intricate web of life on this planet. You see, all life on Earth evolved from a common ancestor. This means that at some point in the distant past, our evolutionary paths split from the same starting point. Each species has evolved and adapted in its own unique way, but we all carry within us a genetic echo of our shared past. So while we might look at a banana or a chicken and think they're wildly different from us, our DNA tells a different story. It tells us that we're all part of the same tapestry of life. Each species, each individual, is a thread in that tapestry, woven together over billions of years of evolution. This understanding of our genetic similarities to other species isn't just interesting trivia. It's a testament to the interconnectedness of all life on Earth. It's a reminder that we're all part of the same biological family, no matter how different we might seem on the surface. Perhaps we're not as different from the rest of the animal kingdom as we like to think. For our third fact, let's focus on the heart. This tireless, muscular organ, tucked safely within our ribcage, is a wonder of nature's design. It's a powerhouse of strength and endurance. Can you believe it has the potential to squirt blood up to 30 feet? It's a staggering thought, isn't it? This demonstrates the sheer force exerted by the heart as it dutifully pumps blood around our bodies. Consider the heart as the engine room of the human body, a ceaseless machine that starts working even before we are born, and doesn't stop until our final breath. Each day our heart beats about 100,000 times, pushing around 2,000 gallons of blood through an intricate network of blood vessels that would stretch nearly 60,000 miles if laid end to end. This essential organ's resilience is equally impressive. Despite the constant work, it rarely fails. Even when it's damaged, the heart has a unique ability to heal itself, and with the right care, it can recover from significant trauma. This is a testament to the heart's remarkable strength and durability. But there's something more to the heart than just its physical prowess. It plays a key role in our emotional and spiritual lives too. It's often depicted as the seat of our deepest feelings and the wellspring of our courage. It's no coincidence that when we talk about love, bravery, or compassion, we often refer to the heart. The heart also communicates with the brain, sending it signals that can influence our emotions, perceptions, and experiences. This heart-brain connection is a fascinating area of study and further underscores the heart's importance beyond its primary role as a blood pump. Therefore, the heart does more than just pump blood. It's a symbol of life, love, and resilience. It's a testament to the human body's incredible strength and complexity. It's a reminder of our capacity for healing and growth. And above all, it's a beacon of the power that resides within us. The heart, it seems, does more than just pump blood, it powers life. Fact number 2 might make your skin crawl a bit. So let's dive into a truly mind-boggling aspect of the human body. It's bacteria. Now you may be thinking, bacteria? Aren't those the bad guys? Well, not exactly. You see, the human body is a bustling metropolis of microscopic life. It's estimated that the average human body is home to roughly 40 trillion bacteria. Yes, you heard it right, 40 trillion. That's more than the number of stars in the Milky Way galaxy. Now here's where it gets really fascinating. These 40 trillion bacteria outnumber the human cells in your body. The ratio is about 1.5 to 1 in favor of the bacteria. So, in a way, we're more bacteria than we are human. But before you start reaching for the hand sanitizer, let's talk about what these bacteria do. Most of them are not just harmless. They're actually crucial for our health. They reside mainly in our gut, and they play a vital role in digesting food, synthesizing vitamins, and even supporting our immune system. These little critters help break down complex carbohydrates and proteins that our bodies can't digest on their own. They synthesize essential vitamins like vitamin K and certain B vitamins, and they keep our immune system in check by communicating with immune cells and controlling inflammation. So, while it might be a bit unsettling to think about the sheer number of bacteria living in and on us, they're not the enemy. In fact, they're some of our most important allies. There's a whole world inside each of us, a complex ecosystem that works in harmony with our bodies. And it's thanks to these 40 trillion tiny inhabitants that we can enjoy good health and perform the many functions necessary for life. And that's the beauty of the human body. It's not just an organism, but an entire world teeming with life. It seems we're never alone, even within our own bodies. And finally, our most intriguing fact revolves around our bones. Now, bones may seem like unassuming parts of our body, but they are far more amazing than you might think. For instance, did you know that 1/4 of all the bones in your body are tucked away in your feet? That's right, out of the 206 bones in an adult body, 52 of them are in your feet. This intricate network of bones allows for the incredible range of movements and flexibility that our feet possess, from tiptoeing to a full sprint. But the astonishment doesn't stop there. Our bones are not just numerous, they are also incredibly strong. A common comparison is that human bones are as strong as steel. However, unlike steel, bones are not heavy and cumbersome. They are much lighter, which allows us to move freely and effortlessly. This strength and lightness are due to the unique structure of bones, a matrix of fibers and minerals that provides both rigidity and flexibility. It's clear that our bones are more than just a framework for our body. They are dynamic, living tissues that are constantly changing and adapting. They offer us strength, support, and flexibility while also being light enough to allow for movement. Our bodies, it turns out, are architectural masterpieces. There you have it, 5 fascinating facts about the human race. We've journeyed through the incredible power of the brain, our genetic similarities, the strength of the heart, the staggering number of bacteria residing in us, and the astonishing facts about our bones. Surprised? Well, that's the beauty of being human. We're full of surprises. If you know any other intriguing facts about people, don't keep them to yourself. Who knew we were such fascinating creatures? Until next time, keep exploring the wonders of the human race.